Oh my goodness, it's a very long way. Let's go and have a walk around the town. Nobody's called me yet. It is almost 6 o'clock now, and meaning the day's already gone. I don't know if it's gonna happen today. I am not really positive that's gonna happen today. It's a very nice area. I love the this street takes you all the way down to the riverside. As you can see, river. Just this, not very far. It's just barely 200 to 300 meters. God, I've got absolutely nothing to do but to wait. Yes, I can do some bit of editing, download some stuff here and there, organize things. But right now I am not in a mood to do any of those things. It's a very nice neighborhood. Oh, this buzz song is so soothing with the flowing water. This was the street I was talking about. It goes a little bit down towards the little square. Looks very dated place. And every now and then I see these windows in the wall. It's not that it's a church, may well be a church, but every now and then see these windows with some religious figures and other stuff. And also I've realized that everywhere there's a purple. I don't know if maybe it's this Easter is a purple Easter here. Can you see that? It's purple everywhere. Very nice. Very relaxed and yeah, not very people around. Look, there's another window here with Jesus Christ statue. No, and there's I mean, every house or shop you see a big cross outside. Can you see that? There's another cross on the left. I mean, they really celebrate Easter. Looks like Portuguese are pretty, in this area especially, quite, you know, religious. Take things seriously when it comes to religion. We should. So that's another little square with cafes. It's a very nice street. A nice cafe, people sitting around. So I previously thought the town where I am right now is called Camina, Camina, because that's what it showed on the map, the nearest one. but it's actually Nova Cervera. So it's Nova Cervera, the town, which is about 65 miles if you're coming down from the northern Spain towards the northwestern Spain and enter into Portugal. So I think it's pretty much a border town. I think a few miles only, 10-15 miles into when you cross into Portugal. So it's pretty much a border town. So Nova Cervera is a town, not Camina. Just a correction. Some souvenir shops. There's another big window in the wall. Wonder if this is a tradition. Oh wow, and looks, the square looks so busy. Looks pretty busy town square at this time. When I got here yesterday, I was looking for a hotel and there were hardly anyone around. There were just only other bikers here, so quite a few bikers in fact. Very nice town, very small. Okay, so we're gonna come to the church a little later. For now, let me take you through a nice street because I can see something really exciting. Okay, that looks like a very old church. I don't know if we can go up. Wow, this side is so busy. Wow, I think there are lots of tourists here. It looks quite a famous place. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. Okay, so we are back in the square again. You can see, I think one of the reasons is it's so busy because it's holiday time. Kids are off school and our parents are on holiday too. So the purple is the color. Very nice place. Let's see what's this tree. Okay, I don't know what it means. Well, it looks like it's a restaurant sign. I thought it's more like a tree description, but no. Okay, that's obviously. Wait, it looks like this is how it will look like back in the, few centuries ago. I don't know. Can we go up? Back to the same entrance on the other side. I like the look of this place. So much buzz around. And this side is another very interesting street, which definitely we're gonna go down. Stone houses, very nice. I like that little balcony and the brick streets. Okay, let's go back. Okay, back to the church, and there is one more street that we need to explore. Oops, how do I see that? These reindeers everywhere. It's a very buzzing little town, at least like a circle for audience, and there's a nice big stage for the performers. Very nice. That woman there, bless her, she recognized me, and she said, yesterday you were on a motor. Yes, I was. that poor motor has got a motor problem. I'm sure soon we're gonna be back on the road. It's just a matter of few days. Okay, so I'm done with the town walk. I'm heading back to the hotel. Take it easy. Catch you later. Hello? Oh, hi. Oh my goodness. It's very long way. I see. Exactly, to continue. So what is the way out for now? So what should I do?